Welcome to Soorya Tech. In today's video, we'll explore the fascinating world of Arduino. We'll cover what Arduino is, how it works, how to install the necessary software, and guide you through creating your very own LED blink project. Arduino is an open-source electronics platform based on easy-to-use hardware and software. It's designed for artists, designers, hobbyists, and anyone interested in creating interactive projects. The platform consists of a programmable circuit board, or microcontroller, and an integrated development environment, IDE, used to write and upload computer code to the physical board. At its core, Arduino operates by receiving inputs such as light on a sensor, a finger on a button, or a Twitter message and turning them into outputs like activating a motor, turning on an LED, or publishing something online. You can tell your board what to do by sending a set of instructions to the microcontroller on the board. To do so, you use the Arduino programming language, based on wiring, and the Arduino software, IDE, based on processing. To get started with Arduino, you'll need to install the Arduino Integrated Development Environment, or IDE. Here's how. Download the Arduino IDE, visit the official Arduino website and download the version compatible with your operating system. Arduino. Install the IDE, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Arduino. Launch the IDE, open the Arduino IDE to begin writing your code, known as sketches. Now, let's dive into the classic Blink project, a fundamental exercise to familiarize yourself with Arduino. Upload the code. Once the code is uploaded, you should see the LED blinking on and off at 1-second intervals. Congratulations! You've successfully completed the LED Blink project using Arduino. This foundational project opens the door to countless possibilities in the world of electronics and programming. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting tutorials. Happy tinkering!